Alright, knife fans. I got another unboxing for you. I hope you can hear me because I'm recording on my Asus tablet transformer, which I got about, I don't know, over a year ago now. So I will be using my trusty box opener. Let's move this a bit closer. Still in, yeah. Still in frame, that's good. Let's get to opening the box. Wow, lots and lots of beads, as you can see. Oh, what do we have here? Some literature. That's my receipt. Can't you see that? First we have a fox. What kind of fox could it be? Well, this one is the, I don't know if you can see that, will that focus? I don't know. Maybe if I touch the screen it will. I don't know. Will it? No, it won't. And this thing's supposed to be HD. Yeah. Well, it says Fox FX302. So, those who know the code will know straight away what is inside this box. Okay. Or shall I open the boxes first? Yeah, let me take them out of the boxes first. Let me take them out of this big box first. Let's do that. Alright, so first this one. And then something really special. An HTM. I've been after a Darrel Ralph for a long time, so I finally have one. Have that as well. And then I have this monstrous thing, which I believe is handmade. Oh yeah, I asked them to, since I made such a large order, I got some of this stuff as well, which is some knife polish, which is supposed to be pretty good. It says here works on brass, silver, gold, chrome, copper, nickel, stainless steel, pewter, you name it, it does it. Cleans, protects, and or cleans, protects, and polishes. But what I really want to get out is this monster. And this is it's a Bowie knife actually, and this is quite special. So I really want to see what this is like. So I feel I should get a towel. I don't have a towel, so let's use a cushion. Okay. First, fox. Yep, still in frame. Oh, in a pouch as well. Very nice. And I can tell you already it's got some weight to it. Isn't that cool? Very nice indeed. Put there. Oh, this is sweet. And she is. It's the Fox J Anzo flipper. This has got some serious. It's hefty. I like hefty knives now. It could do with it's a little bit stiff, but it's brand new, so. But that looks really nice. It feels good as well. That feels good. Been oiled a little. Let's do some close-ups. Not that this camera is that good, but I wish I could focus on the details. Sorry, guys. So we got the titanium handle. And we got the black pocket clip, black steel liners, and I forget actually there we go. It tells you on the blade. I forgot the steel of the blade, but it's NC90 cobalt steel, and it's very early lockup, which is great. You can't tell on there, but or maybe you can. I don't know. You can't see very clearly, but very early lockup. Nice detent. Doesn't shake out easy either, which is good. That's better. Anyway, I want to play with it more, but I want to show you the rest of the knives I've got. Let's put that back into the pouch. And into the box. Okay, that's my box out of the way. Number 2. My Darrel Ralph HTM. Handset made. My first HTM knife. The first Darrel Ralph knife ever. Can you guess? Oh, it comes in a very nice case as well. Wow, look at that. That's nice. That's cool. And this too also has some heft to it. Oh man. Will you look at that? It's a thing of beauty, isn't it? Wow. This is amazing. That is cool. This I like a lot. I'm so glad I got this. Oh my god. That is a beast of a knife. Holy crap. That's amazing. CPM S35VN, made in USA. HTM on the logo on the blade. Again, sorry, it won't focus. This camera is crap. Some more details by the handle. Blank on the other side, and it's got this stone-washed finish, rough fallout type look to it, which I really like in knives. Titanium handle, both sides. I think this is the 5.5. I think this is 5.5. Let's see. Yeah, this is the 5. Yeah, that's the 5.5-inch blade. That is cool. Very, very cool. Got this carved spine type pattern on the handle. Very, very solid knife. That is nice and very, very large. Very cool. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy playing with this one. Very nice indeed. Okay, let me stop coughing at it. Cool. Very cool. I've got to do reviews on all of these. Go back in the box. And last but not least, this giant thing. This is a knife by Nowill and Son. It's a Bowie. And this looks very, very nice indeed. That's a sheath and a knife. Really nice leather sheath. Let's undo this. You can smell the leather now. Smells good. It smells like, you know when you walk into a shoe shop and you know, you try on some new shoes for the first time. I can never resist smelling the shoes, and it smells just like that. Smells good. I'm gonna get this out without cutting myself. Isn't that quite tight? Wow. And that's my Bowie knife with the stag handle. So that's a knife. That is a knife. Made by John, Nowill and Sons, Sheffield Steel. There's a lot of oil on there, so yeah, lots of oil. Let's see if I can get some of that off. Oh yeah. See straight away just a bit of oil. Oh yeah. Oh, it's coming right off. All that residue's coming right off. Nice. Well, we'll leave that on there. Here you go. And that completes my unboxing. My multi-unboxing. There you go. Thanks for watching.